Let's talk about Speech 575 internship. What is this course about? Well, internship provides undergraduate speech-language pathology or audiology majors with clinical assessment and treatment experience in a variety of clinical settings, including schools, private practice agencies, or hospital settings. Clinical skill sets are rendered to adult or child populations with communication disorder varieties under the supervision of an ASHA clinically certified speech-language pathologist or audiologist. Now, in getting students ready for this clinical practicum, the first 5 weeks will be dedicated to internship performance preparation and train in ASHA standard policies and procedures in HIPAA, which stands for Health Insurance Portability and Privacy Act, as well as training confidentiality standards for FERPA, which is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. Students will know what to expect, how to engage with other professionals, families, and clients in the work setting, how to conduct themselves professionally, what to have prepared for the workplace setting, and will be knowledgeable of confidentiality guidelines to follow. The remaining 11 weeks, students will receive guidance exercising assessment and therapy procedures with populations with communication disorders, and this will come from the supervisors. Accumulation of these experiences will earn clinical clock hours that will be credited towards the total ASHA-approved observation and direct contact hours needed to become eligible for future clinical certification as practicing speech-language pathologist or audiologist following graduate school and the clinical fellowship year. Or you can become eligible towards the hours for a practicing speech-language pathologist or audiologist assistant. Weekly observation summaries describing clinical cases assessed or treated and clinical contact hour logs will be turned in and discussed in classes, along with summaries describing therapist demonstrations of assessment and treatment and class presentations. At the end of the course, students will have an exit interview where field supervisors will evaluate their strengths and areas to work on as they advance to the clinical practice training in graduate school or work as an SLPA, speech-language pathologist assistant, or as an audiologist assistant. Upon completion, students will have gained knowledge in the clinical practice setting, which will well cultivate and prepare them for the profession of speech-language pathology or audiology. And that is Clinical Internship 575.
Touchdown. I was